Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is George. Today we play the game named blackpower. If you remember always these I got sick today, but I will play the video. You should expect some sound be coughing sound. Sorry for everything. My I can breathing like normally, so my nose are stopped like I don't know what it word in English to tell for this, but I can say it like my nose is stuck. Oh, cool guy. No one gonna have it, bro. Oh, they gonna have it, right? Bro. Bro. Let's go. No one can save him. Bro, he's so quick. Bro, he doesn't. Bro doesn't even save him at first. Like he'd be like, oh yeah, I will start for like a second, so I will get time to react. The bomber is far away, bro. Just kill him. Let's kill the sound of the right. Oh, get random. Okay, let me see. Bro, this guy. This guy is dumb. Why no one invented a longer? Oh, runner. Where runner? Where's it? Bro. No, like I like this game. I like this very dangerous game. This is so fucking fun. Oh, stop spamming, bro. We all know that it's just run a one summoner. I know someone got internet like without having to get heavy. This guy. Alright, I think I need a bit too cold for this, so I'm gonna get it back into the house, right? No one even take me logs, bro. What? Oh, that's it. Oh, it's like delivery. One's do you even know how to bed or burger? Bro, this guy don't know how to bed a burger. I swear to God. Bro. Oh, fuck. Wait, what happened? Wait. Oh, wait, Yo, not everywhere. Bro, this guy don't know how to jump and attack, bro. You good, bro? Oh, oh, bro, help, let me in.
Aidez-nous! Maintenant!
What the hell? Where did you? Where did you MK, bro? Use your lance and you can use your lance and kill the bomber. Alright. Now we do. Let's go up here. Now let me hit. I don't know where, man. Bro. Oh, fuck.
Je vous remercie.
Bro, work.
Préparez-vous. Venez faire.
What? No, help me. What are you doing in there? He's fucking in it. Did you dumb or what? Bro, this motherfucker. This dumb motherfucker.
Il m'appelle. Bouclez. Allez, 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 il m'appelle. Je vous en supplie.
Wait, is the Navy, bro? Imperial Navy in the land. I thought those guys supposed to do something for the saber. Did a boring job, I know. So we're gonna head back to this, do something that actually interesting.
En avant!
I don't think we should stay here, bro.
Celui-là tient un baril. Faites-le exploser. En avant! Marche! En avant!
Yo, cover. Yo, that's solid. This have a solid ranch.
Nous avons besoin d'aide par ici. Je vous remercie.
Yo, what is? I never seen this kid. Isn't it Poland, right? Polish, right?
Allez, allez,
Poland.
allez!
Is it Polish? That is a Polish kid. What? Yeah, that's a Polish kid. I man, shooter. This is the fucking way. Bro, and players. Wait, where the people are farming? Where the people are farming? Bro, what the hell? No one in here? No one will stop me, bro. I said myself. Oh, we got her. We only bring to that knot. Good.
Dressez une structure.
Bro, you side swing on the heavy saber? Nick, you bastard! No one could ever side swing on the heavy saber. How dare you? This is just unreliable. Bro, what happened? Oh.
Repliez-vous!
Bro, I'm coming. Bro! No! You gotta give me. This is literally the last time, bro. The last time. Oh. Bro, this scum. Alright, we can go back to now. I will watch it.
Nous faut des renforts!
We need plaza for stability.
Miejcie oczy dookoła głowy.
En avant! Je me vide de mon sang ici!
My game is just crashed. Alright guys, similar this video is over. I am the game. See you tomorrow, and don't forget to comment about your comment video about video, you know, like about video. I know it's bad. I know everything is bad, but it's a I'm amateur. Not about that. Like it's called amateur. So you could expect the low quality.